Imagine a time when trucks were not just machines, but hard-working partners of American families. Today, we are going back to that golden era to talk about a true classic, the 1941 Chevrolet pickup. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CarOg 765. If you love classic cars, vintage trucks, and real automotive history, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more classic stories. The 1941 Chevrolet pickup came at a very important time in American history. This was just before World War II, when America was growing fast, farms were expanding, and small businesses needed strong and reliable trucks. Chevrolet understood this need very well, and that is where this pickup became a legend. At first look, the 1941 Chevrolet pickup feels simple, strong, and honest. It has a bold front grille, rounded fenders, and a classic steel body that shows real craftsmanship. No sharp lines, no extra style, just pure functionality mixed with beauty. The front grille design is very unique for its time. The Chevrolet badge proudly sits in the center, showing confidence and trust. Round headlights and smooth curves give this truck a friendly but powerful look. This pickup was built on Chevrolet's AK series platform, which was known for durability. Farmers, delivery drivers, and construction workers trusted this truck every single day. It was not a luxury vehicle, it was a working hero. Under the hood, the 1941 Chevrolet pickup usually came with a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine. This engine was famous for being smooth, reliable, and easy to repair. It produced enough power to carry heavy loads without complaining. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, which was very common in that era. Driving this truck required skill and patience, but that is what made it special. You didn't just drive it, you felt connected to it. Inside the cabin, everything was very basic. A simple metal dashboard, big steering wheel, and clear gauges. No screens, no buttons, no technology, just driver, road, and engine. Comfort was not the main focus, but the seating was practical for long working hours. This truck was designed for people who worked hard from sunrise to sunset. One beautiful thing about the 1941 Chevrolet pickup is its versatility. It was used on farms, in small towns, on highways, and even during wartime for transport duties. Later, many of these trucks were modified for military use as well. Because of World War II, production of civilian vehicles stopped soon after 1941. That makes this model even more special and rare today. It represents the last peaceful automotive designs before the war era. Today, the 1941 Chevrolet pickup is a favorite among classic truck collectors. Many people restore it to original condition, while others turn it into hot rods or custom builds. No matter the style, the soul of the truck always stays alive. In the United States, restored models can be seen in classic car shows and museums. Prices depend on condition, originality, and restoration quality, but the love for this truck is priceless. What makes this pickup truly legendary is not speed or luxury. It is the story it carries, a story of hard work, growth, and American spirit. When you see a 1941 Chevrolet pickup on the road today, it feels like time travel. It reminds us how simple life was, and how strong machines were built with passion. This truck is not just metal and engine. It is history on wheels. If you love classic pickups like the 1941 Chevrolet, let me know in the comments. Tell me which vintage truck you want to see next on CarOg 765. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more classic car stories. See you in the next video. Until then, keep the classic spirit alive.